Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. Today I am doing needle and thread cornrows on my hair. It's gonna be quite a challenge because I've never done it before, and I partnered with Discovering Natural, who is also going to be doing the same hairstyle. We picked it off Pinterest, so we are doing kind of a similar hairstyle on our own hair. So let me get started. My hair is parted from ear to ear because I am only going to do the needle and thread cornrows in the front section of my hair. For the threading, I'm going to use acrylic yarn. I'm using this brand, the Charity brand. This is a South African brand. It's 100% acrylic yarn and it's a double knit, so that's what I'm using in the color black. I'm also using a knitting sewing needle, so this is a big needle which is quite blunt. It won't hurt me unless I press too much, of which even a blunt object this thin is going to hurt you if you press too much. So this is a leave-in conditioner that I made to seal my hair to make sure that it retains a lot of moisture. I am using whipped shea butter here by Nasha Organics. And for the parts, to make sure that they are as smart as possible, I am using a Jabustone. As usual, I place the thread on the hair and then hold it together with my fingers together with the hair, and then I start threading. So the first time the needle goes right through, and then the second time around it only goes until the middle of that section and then comes out in the middle. And then I go on the opposite side and then also put the needle under, and then it only goes only up to the middle, and then pull it right through in the middle of that section. I'm saying a lot of middles, but yeah, I hope it makes sense. So that's basically what I'm doing. If you haven't watched my other needle and thread cornrow technique videos, make sure you go to my channel and watch them. You will get a gist of what this technique is all about. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate. That's amazing. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you are watching my videos for the first time, or you have been around for a while but you haven't subscribed yet, let's turn that red button into gray. That would be really nice. Wow. I don't know. This looks decent, eh? Discovery Natural, how is the going?
Eve, this is not easy. I'm just starting and I'm already struggling. So this is not easy as we think it is, though. Doing it on your own, no. I'm struggling. So I'm even struggling starting it. My neck hurts.
I had to do this one several times, but now I got it. It gets better the more you do it. So this one came out much better than the first one that I did, and I'm impressed. And I must admit, if you're not used to doing your own hair, this is quite challenging. On a scale of 1 to 10, as far as difficulty is concerned, I would put this at a 7. Yeah, somewhere there. It's not a beginner's hairstyle if you can't do your own hair, but it's a beginner's hairstyle if you're doing it on someone else. It's very easy, but doing it on your own hair, it was quite challenging. But it can be done. It just takes a little bit of practice, and then yeah, you'll be good to go. Someone asked me on a previous video on how I finish the needle and thread cornrow, and in this video I'm also showing you 3 ways on how you can finish the needle and thread cornrow. So the first time I did a twist, and then second time I did African threading, just wrapping around, continuing with the thread and then wrapping it around the hair, and then the third time I'm going to show you how you can actually braid after finishing the needle and thread cornrow. I'm going to slick the back section using some gel. In this case, I'm using Eco Styler gel, the green one. It's the olive oil one. That's the one that I'm using. So I'm just tying the hair together, and then I will tie a pony there. You know, I'm just so used to saying a pondo. I'm going to tie that scarf around my edges so that they can slick down a bit. I am using Darling Mali Kinky for the ponytail, and I am crocheting it down so that it stays in place. Don't forget to check Discover Naturals channel and the hairstyle that she did. Don't forget to watch that video. I'll put the link in the description box below. And if you've got any questions, please comment below and tell me all about them. I love to read your comments, and those who have been commenting on my videos, thank you so much. And I'm done. Some accessories, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscription button, you guys. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that we can grow this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.